One of the great features about Peach software for the last 30 years plus has been the ability to open up multiple screens at once. This has been such a great benefit to so many clients. They can have product browse, supplier order, they can have a product control screen open, a control screen open. So you can have any of these screens open all at once. You can see them side by side. You can even have multiple supplier orders open, multiple point of sale, multiple customer order screens open at once, and you can see them all on the screen. And using the zoom control, you can actually zoom down to smaller screens, or you can zoom up to larger screens. So this has really been a benefit. But one downside of that benefit is that you haven't had a screen which fills the whole space. So things like product browse or let's say the expanded super search screen don't show as much data as some people would like. So now we've listened and we've made a change here. We've added a new feature. So let's go to product browse. And now what we've done is we've got all this empty space, and look, we can magnify that up using the zoom control. So if I just zoom that up, you can see it magnifies it. There we go, bring it back on screen there. But it doesn't increase the size of the screen. It doesn't include more data. So let's take that back down to its regular size, 100% there. And we'll close this side screen here. And now you'll notice there's a new little box up here. So when you get this update through, the first thing you'll see is this little box, and that enables you to blow out the screen. So let me show you how that works. I'm going to hit that button there, and bang, that fills the screen now. And if you've got more columns, let's throw a few more columns in there. So we'll go back here and we'll just add a few more columns. Okay. So now you can see so much more data on the screen. So it takes it out to full screen, and if you actually stretch V12 across two screens, it will fill out the whole two screens for you. So that's another great way. So there's a couple more options there. So that was to make it go full screen, but there's another option here if I can reach it. There's the vertical fill. So that means it's going to fill vertically, so you can still have two screens side by side in the full vertical capacity of the screen, and you can still drag that out. So if you do want to increase that, you can still drag that out if you like. And the other option is horizontal fill. So if you pick horizontal fill, it's going to fill the screen horizontally. In this case, it's got a large footer and it's got a large header because of all the filters, so we can't actually make it skinnier without losing some of that data. So we have minimized the amount that you can actually show that horizontally, but you can stretch it out further. So there you go. So that's a great new feature. It's a feature that a lot of customers have been asking for, especially new customers that have come to Peach, and they're not used to being able to open up multiple screens anyway, so they say, why not use that space? So there it is. It has been asked for many years, and now with the new software and the tools that come with that new software, the new technology available, we've been able to do it. So there you have it. So just click the box up there when you see it, click maximize, and your screen will now fill the whole screen within the Peach frame. So I'm sure you're going to like that, and we're doing all we can to make it more useful for you and more flexible. So thanks for watching, and see you on our next video. Bye bye.